Hey there, it's Sarah. Have you ever wondered how to make a younger woman think about you nonstop but felt unsure about the best approach? Today, we're going to uncover the strategies that many men often overlook, which can leave a lasting impression on a younger woman. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to captivate her thoughts, ensuring you stay on her mind long after you've parted ways. Be sure to catch our bonus tip at the end of the video. It's an important piece of advice for ensuring you stay on her mind even more effectively, enhancing your approach and connection. Stay tuned for it. Before we go on, if you're curious about improving your dating skills, why not book a free 60-minute strategy call? Just click the link below. Ready to become unforgettable in her eyes? Let's dig in and explore these powerful strategies together. 1. Unexpected compliments. Let's begin with something quite impactful: unintentional praise. I'm not referring to the typical "you look beautiful" praise here. Even though such are pleasant, the ones that reach more thoroughly and showcase her qualities or personality are the ones that truly leave an impact. Imagine this. You're in a conversation and she shares an idea she's passionate about. Instead of just nodding along, you say, "I really admire how thoughtful and creative your ideas are. You always bring such a fresh perspective." That's the kind of compliment that sticks. It shows that you see and appreciate her for more than just her looks. Or let's say she does something kind for someone else. A simple, "I love how kind and considerate you are. It's one of the things I really appreciate about you," can make her feel truly valued. These kinds of compliments are genuine and specific, and they emphasize her unique qualities. When you praise her intelligence, creativity, or kindness, you're not just making her feel good in the moment. You're creating a memory that she'll think back on, making her smile every time. It's these thoughtful, unexpected compliments that leave a lasting impression, keeping you on her mind long after the conversation has ended. So next time you're with her, pay attention to those little things that make her who she is and let her know you notice. 2. Show cultural savvy. Showing cultural savvy is a fantastic way to bridge the age gap. Demonstrating your interest in the trends, music, and social issues that matter to her generation can make a huge impact. When she mentions a popular TV show or a viral social media challenge, respond with excitement like, "I love that show. The plot twists are insane. What's your favorite part?" Or, "That challenge is hilarious. Have you tried it?" This shows you're in the know and can vibe with her interests. For music, say something like, "I checked out that new album you mentioned. It's fire. Which track do you have on repeat?" You'll be sharing her world and making a connection. If she's passionate about a social issue, engage with, "I saw that news story you're concerned about. What do you think about it?" This shows you value her opinions and respect her perspective. Being culturally aware helps you make a lasting connection, along with bridging the gap between generations. You'll come across to her as the fascinating, cool person who truly understands her. That's how you'll never leave her thoughts. 3. Engage in social media interaction. Engaging on social media is a powerful way to stay on a younger woman's mind. It's all about thoughtful and appropriate interactions that show you're genuinely interested in her life. First, like her photos. This simple act lets her know you're paying attention. But don't stop there, leave comments that are insightful and supportive. Instead of just saying, "Nice pic," try something like, "That place looks amazing. How was your trip?" This adds a personal touch and shows you're interested in her experiences. Another great move is sharing content she'd appreciate. If you come across an article, video, or meme that you think she'd like, send it her way with a comment like, "This reminded me of what we talked about the other day," or, "I thought you'd find this interesting." It's a subtle yet effective way to keep the conversation going and show that you're thinking of her. Quality over quantity is key. You don't need to flood her notifications, just make sure each interaction is meaningful. This thoughtful engagement will keep you on her radar and make her think about you even when you're not around. 4. Recommend books or movies. Suggesting books or movies is a game changer for creating a shared experience, even when you're apart. It's a subtle yet powerful way to show you're thinking of her and value her interests. Pick something that aligns with her tastes. If she's into thrillers, recommend a gripping novel. If she loves romantic comedies, suggest a feel-good movie. This shows you're paying attention and care about what she likes. Once she has taken a look at it, start a conversation. Ask, "What did you think about that plot twist?" And, "Which scene was your favorite?" These talks help to maintain the relationship, but also provide you with more understanding of her tastes and ideas. Recommending books or movies is more than just a suggestion. It's an invitation to share an experience and keep the conversation going. It's a fun and engaging way to stay on her mind and deepen your connection. Liking what you're hearing? Hit the like button and drop a comment. And if you're curious about taking your dating skills further, our free 60-minute strategy call can help you learn to meet more women and date with confidence. Click on the link in the pinned comment to find out more. 5. Remembering small details. Here's a secret weapon: remembering small details. It's these little nuggets of information that can make a huge impact and show her you're genuinely interested in her life. Think about it, she casually mentions her favorite dessert is tiramisu, and weeks later, you bring it up with, "I found this amazing tiramisu recipe that reminded me of you." Or she tells you about a big project at work, and the next time you talk, you ask, "How did that project go?" "I've been thinking about it." These moments show that you're not just hearing her, but truly listening. It's the same with family events. If she mentions her sister's graduation or a family reunion, make a mental note. Later, ask, "How was your sister's graduation? I bet it was a proud moment for your family." This shows you care about the things that matter to her. By recalling and mentioning these small details, you're showing that you value her and pay attention to the little things that make her who she is. It's a powerful way to deepen your connection and keep you on her mind. She'll appreciate the effort and thoughtfulness, and you'll stand out as someone who truly cares. 6. Casual invites to group events. A fun and relaxed way to keep her thinking about you. Casual invites to group events. It's all about creating a laid-back environment where she can see different sides of you and enjoy the interaction without any pressure. Inviting her to a friend's party, a casual get-together, or a group outing is a great move. These settings are perfect because they're informal and fun. At a friend's party, for instance, she gets to see you in your element, interacting with others, showcasing your social skills, and just having a good time. It's a chance for her to observe how you handle different social situations and connect with various people. Group outings, like a casual hike or a game night, provide a relaxed backdrop for unlimited conversations and shared experiences. She'll see how you interact with your friends, which can be very telling about your personality. Plus, it takes the pressure off both of you. Instead of a one-on-one setting where every word might feel scrutinized, a group environment is more carefree and enjoyable. These casual invites help build a connection in a natural, unforced way. She gets to see you in different lights, appreciate your social side, and have fun together. It's a subtle but powerful way to keep you on her mind, as she'll remember the good times and your effortless charm in these relaxed settings. 7. Sharing interesting articles or news. An intriguing way to keep her thinking about you. Sharing interesting articles or news stories. That will show you're thoughtful, but also opens up exciting intellectual conversations that can really deepen your connection. Think about it. She's into environmental issues, so you find a groundbreaking article about the latest green technology and send it with a note like, "This totally blew my mind. I knew you'd find it fascinating too." Or if she's a film buff, share a review of a hot new movie with, "This sounds like a must-see. What do you think?" These gestures show you're in tune with her interests and eager to share in her passions. These shared articles are like conversation gold. They give you both something fresh and engaging to talk about. Imagine the excitement of diving into a lively discussion about that amazing article you just shared. It's a fantastic way to connect on an endless level, showing that you're intellectually curious and value her opinions. Plus, it keeps you on her radar in the best possible way. She'll appreciate the effort you put into finding something she'd love, and it will keep the conversation flowing long after the article is read. This kind of thoughtful engagement is sure to make you memorable and keep her thinking about you. So next time you come across something cool and relevant, don't hesitate to share it. You'll be sparking more than just conversation. Here's the bonus tip: subtle flirting. This is your secret weapon to add a spark without making her uncomfortable. Use humor to keep things light and fun. Engage in witty exchanges that make her laugh. For instance, if she teases you, playfully respond with, "Oh, so that's how it is? I see how you are." Well-timed, genuine compliments are key. Instead of going overboard, say things like, "You've got such a unique perspective," or "Your laugh is contagious." Body language matters too. Maintain good eye contact, smile often, and use light, respectful touches, like a gentle pat on the back. Subtle flirting is all about balance. It's engaging and fun, creating a dynamic where she feels appreciated and intrigued, ensuring you're always on her mind. So go ahead, add that playful spark to your interactions, and watch the connection grow. So now you know tips on what to do that will leave her thinking about you nonstop. What's next for you? Discover how older men become irresistible to younger women, or learn what younger women do when secretly flirting with older men. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.